Hi, and welcome to SofTutor for AutoCAD. What you'll see on the screen as we go through the series of tutorials is interaction with the menus and assorted toolbars that we have to create drawings. This is an example, a typical example of a screen layout in AutoCAD. Don't be intimidated by what you see here, but there's a lot going on visually, but it can be broken down very simply into the commands you need and the sequence you work with over time to create your models or your drawings. Models are referred to, or the drawings that we refer to in AutoCAD. First off, let's just look at the area here. You see this is a model space environment, this is the real world environment, and then down below here you'll see that you have a model tab which indicates that that's where we are. Down below is layout, layout 1, layout 2, and this can be a number of layouts. Like an Excel spreadsheet, we can add more tabs down below. But this is where we will move over to a paper environment, the scaled environment. So anything we create in the model space in real world dimensions will then be placed in the layout at scaled environment on a border sheet with text and dimensions and so on. So pretty much here is where we create everything, and on the layout side of the house is where we put everything into scale. We have a number of toolbars here on the left-hand side of the screen, as well as at the top of this area in here. I'll just put the cursor up here so you can see a few tooltips popping up. So toolbars at the top here, and again toolbars to the left. Kind of a classic layout with the toolbars that are available so far. And there are plenty more we can look at as time goes by. The ribbon bar is a recent addition, and you can see there are tools here. Many of these are in the same category or the same commands. As you see in the toolbars on the left-hand side here, for example, there's the command offset, which is on the the modify toolbar, and it's also on the modify area of the ribbon bar. Again, the ribbon bar is more of a changing menu that will alleviate some of the consumption of the real estate on the screen. And also at the top you have the command window. And the command window is where you enter your commands. You can type them in, or you also see prompts, and that's where you'll follow the response, or enter your response to the commands. Down below, at the very bottom, is a status bar, and we'll go over a lot of these commands that you see here down below that are turned on, some are turned off, and that's a cue that the color is showing you what is active and what is turned off. So we'll go through the process here over time through the tutorials to give you an idea of how to use the software and work with it productively.